Hello and welcome back to Crypto Paper. Today we're going to talk about what Edward Snowden has said about Shiba Inu and what information he has released. So to know more, stay with us until the end of the video. Let's get started. The cryptocurrency fever has been all over the place recently and it seems like that's all everyone is talking about. I had no knowledge about cryptocurrency, how it operates, or the various coins, so I decided to educate myself and figured out what all the fuss was about. We've undoubtedly all heard about Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke in 2013. The Shiba Inu coin is similar to Dogecoin in that it too has a dog as its mascot. It was inspired by a meme featuring a Japanese Shiba Inu dog. The Shiba Inu coin was debuted in August of 2020 and while it is still new, there has been a lot of buzz about it. This is due to the recent and constant oscillations in Dogecoin, which is currently on a decline. This fluctuation was also influenced by Elon Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live. Dogecoin's value was predicted to skyrocket, possibly breaking beyond the $1 barrier, according to some crypto enthusiasts. Instead, following Musk's TV appearance, it plummeted from roughly 70 cents to 42 cents. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, has skyrocketed in value. The Shiba Inu currency is also known as the SHIB token and is commonly referred to as a joke. Aside from the jokes, it has the potential to appreciate in value, much like other coins, especially if people continue to invest money in the hopes of a larger return. Similar to Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu coin has the symbol SHIB on it. What's this? The blockchain? What is blockchain exactly? Allow me to clarify. A blockchain is a digital ledger that keeps track of transactions. Individual records, referred to as blocks, are connected together in a single list, which is referred to as a chain. Blockchains are used to record cryptocurrency transactions such as Bitcoin and have a variety of additional uses. As a result, the Ethereum network is the blockchain for Shiba Inu coin. Hold on a second. So what exactly is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based software platform that is primarily used to support the world's second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin in terms of market value. Ethereum, like other cryptocurrencies, may be used to transfer and receive value without the need for a third party to monitor it. Ethereum is a well-established cryptocurrency market, which is why the founders of Shiba Inu picked it for its stability and features. At the time of writing, the Shiba Inu coin was trading at $0.00005661. Binance is one location where you can purchase Shiba Inu. Binance supports a number of tiny coins that aren't supported by other platforms like Coinbase. Shiba Inu is extremely volatile, which means that the price can change drastically at any time. Those who are interested should keep this in mind. The Bitcoin market is always changing and fluctuating. If you have any money on the side or spare that you are willing to risk losing, the crypto market is a good place to put it. It's crucial to keep in mind the uncertainty with crypto. No matter how popular cryptocurrencies become among investors, they can't succeed over the long term if they are not widely accepted by merchants. When buying a crypto coin, it's also crucial to complete your study. The Shiba Inu currency has the potential to develop in the future. As I previously stated, the Shiba Inu coin is one to consider in 2021 if you can afford to lose money in the worst case situation. According to CoinMarketCap.com, SHIB has a 24-hour trading volume of over $8 billion and a market capitalization of over $11 billion. Before SHIB was added to the trading platforms this week, its trading volume maxed out at just over $500 million in a single day, and as recently as January, its daily trading volume was lower than $1. Then recently, some news came to us from Edward Snowden, forming his views around Shiba Inu. Let's first talk about who actually Edward Joseph Snowden is. According to Wikipedia, Joseph Snowden, born June 21, 1983, is a former computer intelligence consultant who leaked highly classified information from the National Security Agency, NSA, in 2013, when he was an employee and subcontractor for the Central Intelligence Agency CIA. His disclosures revealed numerous global surveillance programs, many run by the NSA and the Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance, with the cooperation of telecommunication companies and European governments, and prompted a cultural discussion about national security and individual privacy. In early 2016, Snowden became the president of the Freedom of the Press Foundation, a San Francisco-based non-profit organization that aims to protect journalists from hacking and government surveillance. In 2017, he married Lindsay Mills. On September 17, 2019, his memoir Permanent Record was published. On September 2, 2020, a U.S. federal court ruled in United States v. Moreland that the U.S. intelligence's mass surveillance program exposed by Snowden was illegal and possibly unconstitutional. Edward Snowden, the iconic whistleblower, has tweeted that he is considering purchasing Bitcoin. Snowden is a former CIA employee who is now a fugitive after disclosing highly sensitive National Security Agency materials, as we mentioned a few minutes ago. He doesn't think there's specific reason for the latest crypto sell-off that saw BTC lose 50% of its value in 2 days. This is the first time in a long time that I've considered purchasing Bitcoin. There was too much worry and not enough cause for that decrease. Aside from Snowden, a number of other people believe in BTC in a similar way. Digital Coin Group CEO Barry Silbert tweeted, "I'm going to buy. This is why Bitcoin was created in the first place." Dan Gambardello, the founder and CEO of cryptocurrency and blockchain recruitment agency Crypto Capital Venture, says Bitcoin is a good buy following the drop, but cautious that it may not be a sensible move given the market's panic. "I'd advise buying the Bitcoin dip, but I believe that would be reckless. Markets are functioning in a state of fear and panic, making technical analysis nearly meaningless until things calm down." Edward Snowden, a former CIA officer and one of the world's foremost privacy advocates, believes Bitcoin is insufficiently secure and that an imminent software update could exacerbate the problem. Other experts were taken aback by Snowden's remarks. The Human Rights Foundation's chief strategy officer, Alex Gladstein, who feels Snowden is misinterpreting the Taproot update. Others say that Snowden does not understand the true significance of broad adoption, which may fail if it leans too heavily on anonymity. Not even this. Edward Snowden has claimed the fact that he thinks Shiba Inu is a highly full of potential coin too, and that it has the power and the strength to be higher than anybody's expectations. This information that Edward Snowden leaked says to be very great for those holding Shiba Inu tokens, as it is very likely that the coin may go higher and higher than anyone could have expected, and if that happens, overnight millionaires are on their way. Adding to your knowledge base, traders and onlookers speculated in the weeks building up to the event whether Musk would mention Dogecoin on the stage. The conversation increased the coin's visibility and drew attention from notable personalities such as billionaire Mark Cuban. Musk's performance on Saturday Night Live disappointed some crypto traders when he jokingly referred to Dogecoin as a hustle, causing its value to plummet by 30%. SHIB appeared to take advantage of the SNL buzz. Binance placed SHIB on its platform 2 days following Musk's speech, and the price of SHIB doubled. Xiao says that even if Dogecoin didn't directly benefit from Musk's hosting duties, his appearance and the weeks leading up to it drew the attention of millions to the meme coins. Ryoshi has pushed for the coin's moniker of Dogecoin Killer, claiming that SHIB's technology is more community-driven than its competitor, which is named after the Shiba Inu, and Ryoshi has extolled its insignificance. In a SHIB whiff paper, better known as a white paper, the founder said, "We have the power to surpass the value of Dogecoin exponentially without ever crossing the 1 cent threshold." The coin, along with the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which includes the Shiba Swap exchange and a decentralized SHIB army of developers, coin holders, and enthusiasts, was an experiment in spontaneous community formation, according to Ryoshi's paper. Shiba Inu, according to Ryoshi, are wonderful dogs and encourages people to donate to the Shiba Inu Rescue Association. Ryoshi could not be reached for comment on this article. SHIB coin is a meme coin and welcomes that, adds Kaislin, referring to the new class of meme coins popularized on platforms such as TikTok and Reddit. The meme coin movement is anti-formal and anti-protocol. As a result, Dogecoin began as a joke and the Shiba white paper is known as the whiff paper, he explains. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so we could bring more and more important content for you.